This deodorant is why I started Botanic Skin, and you need to know and understand that. I have a history in my family of cancer. All types of cancer. I mean, you name it. Our family has it. So I got really concerned. I had a little scare, like a little bump under my arm. And then after that, nothing came of it, thank God. I started going on this hunt for aluminum-free deodorants because doctors are like, you need to stop using the chemicals, and it's just not good for you. Like all the toxins, like your lymph nodes are right here. Like you're feeding the source, like the railway to your body under your arms. I went on this journey to find an aluminum-free deodorant, which if you've done this, you know, it's like you're hiking into hell. I was using Degree for men, not women. Women deodorant didn't work for me. So I was using men's Degree. I went through getting my arms burned because I didn't know that we shouldn't be putting baking soda under our arms, especially if you have sensitive skin like me. So it was that, or then the breaking out. Now, when you go from something that's really strong like Degree or some of these other ones out here with lots of chemicals in it, you have to realize that your body's going to detox, because an antiperspirant is just that. It's anti-sweat. And that means all your pores and all your little openings under your arms have been blocked. And when you stop wearing it, your body is naturally detoxing. So yeah, you might get like some little bumps and it might be itchy and uncomfortable for a while. You might even get a little funky, but that is really your body like excreting all those nasty toxins. So I would say give yourself like 7 to 10 days and just let your body do its thing. After that, if you still find yourself like breaking out or getting burned, make sure you discontinue the use of whatever product that is like right away, because you don't want to find yourself in that situation. For me, I went through all the name brand natural deodorants that you can possibly imagine, and none of them really worked. They either left me hanging or they burned me. There was one though that I found, and I'm really not going to name it because I don't want to sound like I'm throwing them under the bus. It's a really great company and I love the way their deodorants smell. It actually worked, but it stained our clothes. And my husband was not very happy because I took my whole family on this deodorant journey with me. I don't recommend doing that either. Get it figured out and then bring them along. My husband liked the deodorant also, but it stained all of his nice dress shirts. So we're talking about thousands of dollars that just basically flew out the window. I sent them to the cleaners. I tried hand. I mean, nothing would get it out. And I think it's because they use shea butter and it just really melts into the clothes and you can't really get it out because it turns into an oil. So outside of that, I loved that product. That's what pushed me to go ahead and dive into figuring out how to do this myself. After playing around and like spending thousands of dollars on ingredients and watching, I don't know how many hours, probably 200-300 hours worth of videos from different chemists and experts and big time DIYers, like everybody, I learned about so many different ingredients. And finally, I developed a formula that worked. And I used that formula. I would say I tweaked it every now and then because I had no intention on selling the deodorant at all. In fact, it's the last one that I've added to our product line. It is so amazing. If this deodorant can hold me, I'm telling you, it can hold anybody. And I have sensitive skin. So this girl right here, I love sniffing it. Is that weird? So quick little story time. When I perfected this formula, I was obsessed with the smell because it smells like lemongrass, and I'll get to that in a second. And I was like sniffing my arms and sniff like all day. My husband was like, "You're weird." And so then I got him to sniff my arms too, like throughout the day, because I wanted to make sure it was holding up and it just wasn't my nose being obsessed with this smell. And so, yeah. We use arrowroot and magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide is nothing to be scared of. It's natural. When you add the arrowroot and the magnesium hydroxide together, it works much better than baking soda. Baking soda, the pH, it's off the scale for the pH. Like, that's why it burns you. And so also because of that, because arrowroot and the magnesium hydroxide can get a little out of pH balance themselves, I decided to add the glycolic acid. Now, if you remember, TikTok went crazy over glycolic acid. I think even Elytra and I had conversations about that, and we're like, oh my God. I'm like, really? What? And people were putting it like directly under their arms and like, oh, it works. So I did, I won't say a lot of research, and I started digging. I started realizing that actually the glycolic acid can help balance the pH and make it really, really suitable for the skin, but it also helps with moisture control and odor. Two of the other key ingredients actually contribute to the smell of it, which gives it this lemongrass smell. If you don't like lemongrass, you're not gonna really like this, but the lemongrass smells so fresh. It just reminds you of stepping out of the shower, and it goes pretty much, it pairs well with just about any type of fragrance. So if you're wearing a floral perfume or something more woody or musky, like that lemongrass is really not going to interfere with either of those. So I decided to use citronella and bergamot, and I'll tell you why, because both have extreme antifungal and antibacterial properties within them, and they love to eat odor. So just for those reasons alone, those ingredients have to go in it. I am working on a different scent, and it did come out really nice, and I still was able to use the bergamot and the citronella, and they were, I won't say masked, but you smelled the more of the musky type, woody, spicy notes rather than just the citronella and the bergamot together. I love the lemongrass. It's my favorite. The other thing I will say, now this isn't proven, but it is a theory that I am working with. You know what else has citronella in it? Mosquito bug spray. And mosquitoes love them some me. So what I started doing was putting a little bit on my wrist, here, under my boobs, because you can use it for that too. Anywhere where you sweat and have odor, you can use that. And I also start putting it on my inner ankles. Now, I'm not saying this is factual. I'm saying it's a good theory. It's a working theory, and it's been working. Mosquitoes have not messed with your girl, okay? They stay away because I don't think they like the smell, and I'm okay with that because I don't like them either. Got to have boundaries, and the citronella is my boundary for them, okay? If you have any questions, be sure to ask. I do want to show y'all my cute little outfit because she is new. Yep. These little pants, we had some similar to these before, but honestly, I put them on for the first time today, and I think I might actually like these the best. They are so cute because you can wear them with heels. They just feel so good. They're like butter. And then this bodysuit, y'all have probably seen the black one. This is like a winter white, and you can wear this year round. You can wear it in the spring, summer. You can wear it fall, winter, especially if you have it, you want it to go under something. And a lot of times fall, winter, you have a color palette that is more advantageous for something like this, or it might already include like a bone or off-white color, and you don't want to add like a white, ice white color to that. So anyway, yep, just real cute. These bodysuits have linings in them, but I did have to put nipple covers on because y'all, yeah, no need to go into any further detail for that, but you can't really see them, so that's all that matters, right? Right. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, hit us up. We would love to hear from you. If you want to know more about the Botanic Skincare line, hit us up. You can go to botanic.skin. That's right, www.botanic.skin. That's so cute. And find out more information. Okay. All right, thanks for hanging out with us. Hello, Ulta. Yes, we're available. 800 pallets, you got it. Okay, bye. I'm a dork.